So start with something simple. Two of my favorite things really are growing beans and garlic. Those are my favorite things to have people start. So beans you start in the spring, and garlic you can actually start in the fall, which is really great. You can start something new now and something new later. Beans are absolutely amazing because they actually fix the soil. So if you have some clayey soil or some bad soil or some soil that's been neglected or depleted or anything like that, they actually fix the soil, which is amazing. They are the only plant that I know of that actually puts nutrients, nitrogen back into the soil instead of just sucking the nutrients and the life out of the soil. So they are fabulous. They are very prolific and easy to plant and grow. I highly suggest you do beans and have your kids plant them. You can't really go wrong with planting beans. You can, oh, and another one is that you can seed save from beans so easily. So, and they don't do a lot of cross pollination. They can, but it's pretty hard. So you can very easily seed save from them as well. And you can do a pole bean or a bush bean. And a pole bean is one that wants to grow vertically. So you are going to give them a space. You can see in that picture there, actually, those are hog and cattle panels that we have going like this. They're 16 feet in length, and we've got them secured in the ground with some rebar here, and they grow up and over like this. I'm planting beans on the inside and the outside of the stakes that are on it, all the wiring, and you can plant a boatload on just one trellis. And the more space you give to a pole bean, the more that they will grow and give to you. So they are very prolific. Bush beans are, so if you don't have a lot of space, well, actually both work for a lot, not a lot of space, but if you want to do bush beans literally just grow in a bush. And those are very prolific and easy to grow from. I grow all of my dry beans as they're bush beans. So we also do dry beans, and I love them. And again, garlic, you can plant in the fall. And you are planting once. You buy great bulbs, garlics. They're called garlic seed, and there's a seed, it's bulbs. You buy them once, and you invest in a good organic one, and then you will actually save some of your garlic to plant again in the fall, and so you never have to buy again. So you get garlic, which is medicinal. It's very flavorful, and it's healthy for you to use, and it takes up a very minimal amount of space. If you want to dive in exactly how I grow beans or garlic, just go to my website and go to the free trainings, and you will see both of those trainings of purple beans, and you can use any kind of beans, and garlic. You can see both of those there, or just put in the search bar beans or garlic, and you will be able to pull up free trainings that show you exactly step by step how I do everything. So those are my absolute favorite things to talk about. And let's just talk about the bean seed a little more. So I think in general, all beans have this, but this particular photo is a bean seed. And we did this for a homeschooling event, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to share this with whomever will listen to me. So we just took a bean seed and soaked it in water overnight to make it a little soft so that you could split it in half. And that's exactly what you see right there is the bean seed split in half. So everything that the bean seed needs to start and grow from the beginning is right inside that little tiny thing, which is amazing. So there's those science terms, cotyledons store all the nutrients the seed needs to germinate. So you see that whole area, that's kind of like its nutrients. And so that it's all of its nutrients to germinate and sprout into a plant, and then often becomes the first little set of leaves that pops out of the ground. So cute. The radicule that you'll see right here, it is pointing to this little spot right here, becomes the root of the plant. Roots, that little thing will come, that strong root system in the ground. And then the plumule right here, you can see this right here, that's right there, will become the plant's main shoot, the stem, and bear its first true leaves. How cool is that? That's why seeds are so amazing. And that right there is a purple botted bean seed.